And welcome back, everybody. We are day 20 something of the garage lockdown. And I'm getting a lot of work done. But today I'm gonna be working on the carburetor. I'm gonna get that nice and tuned so it's running just perfectly, since I have the wideband scanner to tell me what's going on with it, and I need to adjust the jets. I've talked about many times, I'm gonna have a whole bunch of cards I can put up there, but today is gonna be something a little bit different. Sometimes when you have a new carburetor, the jet on the main part, the main jet, doesn't have a number on it. How do you know what size it is? That's what I'm gonna talk about today and show you how to figure it out. So I'm gonna quickly open up this carburetor and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about with unknown jets. And you can see there is no number there. I have an idea of what it should be, or I'm guessing how it was running. It was running very rich, so I'm guessing it's in the 115 or 125 area, maybe 100, but I'm unsure. So I need to figure out what size this is so I can run it down a little bit and get the mixture just a little bit more leaner and tune this carburetor properly. Now with this unknown jet out, I need to determine what size it is. What I'm going to do is use my trusty micro drill bit set. I'm not going to be drilling them out. All I'm doing is just going through, looking till I get a good amount of drag on it. And then I can go to my set, which I have the known numbers of it, and determine exactly what size it is. So I tapped out on this one. This one is not going any further, as you can see. So all I need to do now is come to my jet case over here, and these have the size rendered on them. And as you can see with one of them that I know the number for, this one says 125 on it. I'm going to test it out, and as guessed, it is pretty close. So I'm thinking that one, the unknown, is going to be the 120. And there we go. As easy as 5 minutes, we were able to determine with my micro drill set and my tuning kit. $10 I believe it was on Amazon, $15.20 off of a scooter site store. I was able to determine the main jet was a 20. It was running too rich, so I need to back it down just a little bit. And I'm going to try out the 114 that I had in here. Might need to do it just a little bit more just for the tuning wise, but I think 114 is going to be perfect because I always run it rich. I love running it rich. There we go. But with that, as I always say, and I mean it straight from the heart, please be safe out there, everybody. We're in a lockdown, but ride safe, drive safe, and please keep at least 2 wheels on the road.